Isolating final sounds is a basic phonemic awareness skill and can be more challenging than isolating the onset of a word. We use the punch it out hand motion to help students isolate that final sound. As the teacher, I am going to start with my left arm because students will see that as my right. And we want them to see these sounds moving from left to right the same way they're going to map print. I am going to bring my left arm across my body and then punch up the last sound. If the word was lime, I would say lie, We ask students to repeat that final sound 2 times to make sure they understand that they are just isolating one final sound. If the word was seat, it would look like this. Seat.